Hello everyone, my name is Adong. We are now at the Volferda factory, and behind me is the Volferda Capsule House E6. It's 8.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high. The exterior design is quite impressive. Come on, let's take a look inside. As we approach the entrance, you'll notice that the door is equipped with a smart lock. Once inside, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom layout without a balcony. Let's start with the left side. This is a small room with ample space. You can use it as a small living room, placing a sofa and a table here, or you could set up a small bed. Not only does it come with curtains, but it also features a panoramic floor-to-ceiling window, offering beautiful views both day and night. Looking up, you can see the pre-installed air conditioning vent. Here is the smart control panel for the small bedroom. Now, let's move on. Here is the entryway cabinet. The bottom section is a shoe cabinet. The middle part houses the whole home smarts which control panel, and above it there's a small cupboard with the electrical panel inside. Moving further, in the center is the bathroom. This is a dry and wet separated bathroom. On the right side, you have the wash basin and toilet. Here, you'll see the mirror cabinet, which is currently not installed to avoid damage during transportation, but it will be installed here later. On the left is the shower area with a movable glass door. The shower is equipped with a 3-in-1 shower head, which allows for both hot and cold water adjustments. The bathroom floor is a seamless anti-slip design. Next is the master bedroom. The master bedroom is approximately 10 square meters, providing plenty of space. You can easily fit a large bed in here. This room also comes with curtains, and there's a sliding window here to allow for ventilation. You can observe the quality of the Volferda house by looking at the walls and ceiling. The craftsmanship is very detailed and high-end. Our ceiling includes a skylight, so you can gaze at the stars at night. There's also space reserved for an air conditioning vent. Lastly, this area is suitable for an optional projector setup. This concludes the introduction to the Volferda E6 to 8.5 meters 2-bedroom model.